How to fix TikTok missing eye icon on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to apps and apps again and go to TikTok. Now just check your TikTok internet here, data usage, enable all of those here and then just go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go here and click history lines and then settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find logout, click on it and click logout and log in again, and then restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.